All right, this meter that we have on this demonstration board is a common meter that you may find in municipalities and also in sectional title buildings. This particular model has two parts, the metering part and then the keypad. The metering part is usually not available for the consumer to use because there's nothing to do on the metering part. But the keypad is the most important part. On the keypad, you will see how many kilowatts you have remaining, and I will show you just now. And the whole functionality of the meter is found in the keypad. Now I can show you how basically to input a token. So I'm just going to quickly send an SMS. Okay, this SMS basically will give me a token. This token will be an electricity token for 50 rands, which I will input into the keypad. 31393940. You wait a few seconds and you have electricity on your meter. When you have a prepaid meter, the first thing that people do is they actually see what they consume on a display. So once I've recharged my meter, I can see if I'm using electricity very quickly or very slowly. Obviously, if I'm using electricity very quickly, then I will start switching off lights. I will start doing something about my consumption to make sure that I don't exceed my budget for my electricity. In addition to which, the prepaid meter itself gives you several functions which are very useful to understanding the consumption. For example, the function I001 will give you the display of the amount of electricity you're using right now. Municipal meters are meters that come straight to your house or your earth. A sub-meter is a meter where from the municipal meter that comes to the earth, there are many other sub-meters. So in other words, they are split from the main meter. If you look at the municipal bill for a postpaid electricity, you see your kilowatt hour consumption, and then you will see your network charges and your service charges. There are additional charges that the municipalities all over the country charge. So if your kilowatt hours, let's say for example, is 60 cents, you still have additional line items that you need to pay for. When you go to prepaid, those line items do not disappear. The municipalities calculate them into your kilowatt hour. So now, for example, you may be paying 0.85 cents per kilowatt hour. In fact, it is more. But it's not more. They have just taken their services and they added them in the kilowatt hour. So why do people think that electricity prepaid is cheaper? Simply because people change their consumption habits as soon as they have a prepaid meter. When you have 100 kilowatts one day and tomorrow you have 50, you start worrying. So you start using electricity in a very different way.